highlight. Couple things. I talked at length during when this was happening about how it's difficult to question, how it's normal rather, but difficult that you're going to question your idea. You're going to have self doubt. You're going to have maybe the opposite too early. You're going to have all these negative things in doubt coming at you when you are trying to come up with your idea, but also when you're really trying to execute your idea, which is putting on the trade or opening the position. And so the thought is for those that just look at this market and say, okay, I'm going to shoot, where's my pen here? I'm going to look at thinking that this rally is going to get retraced and then bounce. And what you want to see, what's easier is to have it go like this, boom, and be able to get long in there so it doesn't take long for those doubts to come in. And think about it. If a trade starts going your way right away, even just a little bit, there's going to be less doubt that enters because you're not wrong yet, you're not right, all that stuff. And that's why you're going to avoid a lot of the negative arrows that are going to be coming your way mentally if it's your way right away. And that's why it's important to define accurately a good location, where it doesn't take forever to go your way. Don't let that be something personal or something that you're just having issues with. It's completely normal. So then if you look at, okay, this rally, I want to see it eventually, retest that area and remain strong. You're looking to play it from the long side. You get a couple things. You get a bunch of shorts coming in and not really getting price to go lower. And you're getting 1, 2, 3 sell pulses and not getting price to go lower. Sell pulse is 100 or more of a sell market order. And price, with a lot of good selling should go lower. If it doesn't, that's a good clue. And so if I play this, you're going to see the red kick out and we pop. And then you see as we move along, the red kick out and we pop. And you see a big sell pulse come in and it goes right back to where it started and rallies. Now, you might be saying this is a hard trade to stay on, let alone or get on, let alone stay on. And the answer is you're right. Let me back it up all the way to here because you might have lost perspective because this is where those sell pulses came in and it went from 98.99 all the way up to 0405. So for many people, that's enough of a head start to at least not lose money if you played it from the long side. All right. And so when you take it forward and you're like, this is difficult to get on the team and stay on the team. And there are often times where that's the case. And that's like when it finally does go, there aren't a lot of people long. That's why it goes. You see? And there was difficulty getting back on the team like in here, right? But what wasn't difficult to see was that if it did in fact get above here, don't be short because this is likely to break out of a congestion box that's defined. So this highlight is kind of a little bit of seeing some market action, but also the psychology that everybody goes through, and don't think that you're isolated and you're the only one that feels that way.